Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to download a modded version of the Uno game for iOS and Android where you get unlimited resources. So let's get into the tutorial. So the first thing we're going to do is go to this site. It's called hexmods.com. They got all the mods. So once you're on the site, guys, just go to the search bar and you want to type in Uno because there's lots of modded apps on here. So as you can see, there it is. So go ahead and press on it, press the down button and download it. Now before it downloads, there's a verification step where you gotta download 2 apps to complete the instructions, but I'm gonna walk you guys through the process and show you exactly how to do it. So let's just wait for this to go ahead and load here, as you can see. So it's super cool, guys, and yeah, so here we go. This is the step. So it says complete 2 free apps to finish installing. So they got 4 apps here. Just gotta choose 2 of them, download them, and run them. So Fliff says run for 30 seconds. Color Block, same thing. WGT Golf, you gotta reach level. So just press tap to install on whatever app you want to do, and it'll bring you to the App Store, and then you gotta download it. So I'm not trying to be rude, but like, why would you want to be on Uno Basic? I want to be rich, so I got tons of money in Uno. But yeah, there are some haters and stuff that prefer to play Uno like legit. But if you're into that, you're probably not watching the video. So just complete the verification. It's very easy. You only have to download 2 of these apps, and if you see different apps, that's fine. It's just region based. They got AI you can talk to. I mean, this is super cool. So I'm gonna see you guys in the video, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel. This is super insane, guys, and it's totally updated. So if you play Uno, you gotta try this, bro. It fully works. So as you can see, I'm rich as can be. This is so wild, bro. So yeah, it's on iOS and Android, so all devices are supported. So yeah, be sure to get the word out. This is super cool, and I'm gonna see you guys in another video. So be sure to subscribe to the channel, because this is super insane, guys, and it totally works.